These are the 16 rules of Earth 1.0 simulation, in the Quranic, spiritual sense. These rules are for navigating Earth 1.0 simulation, which is a testing habitat. If applied properly, they lead a believer to success in the Akira, or the reality. The true world of eternal bliss, in the heavenly realm of expanded consciousness. The core rules of the simulation, Earth 1.0. 1. Tawheed is the operating system. In Islam, Tawheed means the oneness of Allah. He is the one, the only Lord of all the worlds, the all-seeing, all-hearing creator and master of all. He does not beget nor is he begotten. Everything runs on one. The one means there is only one true source of power, control, provision, and meaning, Allah. Nothing else runs independently. Not people, money, systems, fear, luck or the universe, all are subprocesses, not authorities. Recognizing Allah equals clarity. Ignoring him equals distortion. 2. Free will is the controller. You choose your inputs. You choose your responses. Your choices shape the level you experience. 3. Dunya, Earth 1.0 is a testing environment. Not the final world. Not the real destination. Everything is temporary and designed to expose what's inside you. To reveal your true state, what you trust, fear, love, and rely on. Not to inform Allah, but to make you see it clearly. 4. Your perceptions are the interface. Sight, hearing, touch, thought, emotion, all are filters, not final truth. They show just enough to test you, not the whole map. 5. Shaitan or Satan is the in-game adversary. He cannot program the game. He can only whisper. His goal in the game is simply this: to confuse you, distract you, and flip your priorities. Make you forget Allah, forget your purpose and become totally immersed in Earth 1.0. So you forget the Akira, the real world. 6. The heart is the ultimate sensor. When the heart is clean, guidance is easy. When the heart is corrupted, everything looks distorted. 7. Gratitude unlocks upgrades. Shukr, which means gratitude, equals increase. Every time. Spiritual, emotional, physical, material. Through gratitude Allah promises expansion. 8. Patience is the shield. Saber, which means patience, provides protection from collapse, panic, and misjudgment. 9. Test scale with your level. The higher your spiritual potential, the harder your challenges. Like bosses in a game. Bosses in the game are major life trials, loss, fear, delay, temptation and injustice. They are sent at key moments to expose your true level of faith and detach your heart from the dunya. They mark spiritual progression. Defeating them brings clarity, elevation, and nearness to Allah. 10. Death is the exit door. Not deletion, not the end but a transition into the Barzakh. Barzakh is the intermediate realm after death where the soul waits, becoming aware of the reality it was preparing for, until resurrection. The real world. 11. Dajjal is the final global illusion. A reality warping fitna designed to flip true/false. A test of perception, not just power. 12. Quran is the cheat code manual. It explains the rules, the traps, the map, the purpose, openly. But most don't read it like a manual. 13. You can alter your reality. With dua, belief, intention, and action. They reshape the rendered world around you. 14. Angels record everything. Every choice is logged. Nothing is lost. No bug, no glitch. 15. Forgiveness is liberation. Freedom. Forgiveness is not denial or weakness. It is releasing the inner claim to punish and handing judgment back to Allah. It breaks attachment to harm, restores inner freedom, and prevents past injuries from controlling present reality. Justice remains with Allah. Peace returns to you. 16. Mercy overrides everything. Allah's Rahmah, mercy, can bypass, override, erase, or rewrite any code of destiny except shirk.